Sounds wild, right? Well, let's dive into what would actually happen if Earth stopped rotating. Our Earth, a blue marble in space, spins. It always spins. This rotation dictates day and night. It influences winds, oceans, and life itself. Earth rotates at an incredible speed of 1,000 miles per hour. We don't feel it, just like we don't feel an airplane's speed. It regulates temperature and drives weather patterns. Without rotation, our world would be vastly different and likely uninhabitable. The consequences would be catastrophic, reshaping our planet.
Imagine, if you will, a sudden jolt, a cosmic lurch that sends shivers through the very core of our planet. The Earth, in an instant, stops spinning. The immediate effects would be devastating. The atmosphere, still carrying its momentum, would rage across the surface. Winds of unimaginable fury, travelling at thousands of miles per hour, would scour the land. Buildings would crumble, trees would be ripped from the ground, oceans would surge towards the poles. Massive tsunamis would inundate coastal cities. The sheer force of these waves would carve new paths across continents. The Earth's crust itself would feel the strain. Earthquakes of unprecedented magnitude would ripple across the planet. Volcanoes, dormant for millennia, would roar back to life. This would mark the beginning of a new, terrifying chapter for our planet. With the Earth no longer rotating, one side would face the sun perpetually, while the other would be shrouded in eternal darkness. This stark division would create two extreme environments. On the sunlit side, temperatures would soar, boiling away water sources and scorching the land. Meanwhile, the dark side would plunge into a perpetual frozen night. Temperatures would plummet, turning the air into a frigid, unbreathable mist. The narrow band between these extremes would become a strange twilight zone. This wouldn't be a world divided, it would be a world broken. Section 4. The Moon's Tug. A delicate balance disturbed. The Earth and the Moon, our celestial dance partner, share a special bond. Their gravitational pull on each other creates the tides, influences the length of our days, and stabilizes our planet's tilt. But this delicate balance would be thrown into disarray if Earth stopped spinning. The Moon's gravitational pull, no longer countered by Earth's rotation, would begin to slow the Moon's orbit. This braking effect would cause the Moon to spiral slowly inward towards Earth. Don't worry, it wouldn't be an immediate collision, but over millions of years, the Moon would draw closer and closer. This would have disastrous consequences for Earth, creating monstrous tides that would engulf entire continents. The gravitational tug-of-war between the Earth and the Moon would also wreak havoc on Earth's tectonic plates, triggering even more frequent and devastating earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. The once familiar face of our Moon, now looming large in the sky, would become a constant reminder of the impending cosmic doom. Section 5. A planet unprotected. The fragile shield crumbles. Earth's magnetic field, generated by our planet's rotation, acts as a shield, protecting us from harmful solar radiation. This invisible force field deflects charged particles streaming from the sun, preventing them from stripping away our atmosphere and bombarding the surface with harmful radiation. But without Earth's spin, this protective shield would weaken and eventually collapse. The consequences would be dire. The sun, no longer held at bay, would unleash its full fury upon our defenseless planet. Solar winds would strip away our atmosphere, molecule by molecule. The ozone layer, our only defense against harmful ultraviolet radiation, would be destroyed, exposing life on Earth to deadly levels of radiation. The once vibrant blue skies of Earth would be replaced by a dull, lifeless grey. The air would become thin and unbreathable, making it impossible for most life forms to survive. Our planet, once a beacon of life in the cosmos, would be transformed into a barren, irradiated wasteland, a stark reminder of the importance of Earth's rotation. Section 6. A Glimmer of Hope. Humanity's Enduring Spirit. The scenario I've painted is bleak, I admit. But amidst this cosmic chaos, there's a glimmer of hope. Humans, as a species, are remarkably adaptable. We've survived ice ages, natural disasters, and countless other challenges. While the immediate aftermath of Earth's rotation stopping would be catastrophic, it wouldn't necessarily be the end of humanity. Imagine, if you will, underground cities, powered by geothermal energy, providing refuge from the harsh conditions on the surface. Picture advanced technologies, such as hydroponic farms and atmospheric regulators, allowing us to create sustainable habitats in this new, unforgiving world. Perhaps some might venture into space, establishing colonies on Mars or beyond, seeking a new home among the stars. The challenges would be immense, but the human spirit, our ingenuity and determination, would give us a fighting chance. In the face of adversity, we would adapt, innovate, and strive to ensure the survival of our species. Section 7. A moment for reflection. Our place in the cosmos. The thought of Earth stopping its rotation is a chilling reminder of our planet's delicate balance and our place within the grand scheme of the cosmos. It underscores the importance of understanding and respecting the forces that govern our universe. As we gaze up at the night sky, let us remember that we are part of something vast and awe-inspiring, a cosmic ballet of celestial bodies moving in harmony. So, the next time you feel the warmth of the sun on your face, or marvel at the beauty of a star-filled night, take a moment to appreciate the wonder of Earth's rotation. It's a constant, a comfort, and a vital force that makes our planet, our home, a vibrant and teeming oasis of life in the vastness of space. Now, I leave you with this question. If Earth were to stop spinning, what would be the first thing you would do to adapt and survive? Let's ignite our imaginations and explore the possibilities together.